Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, back with another video. You love talking about simple things you can do to improve your health, and today we're diving into the world of hibiscus tea. This isn't just some fancy drink, guys. This stuff is packed with health benefits. We're talking immune system boost, help with weight management, even some serious antioxidant power. So many people are missing out on this, and that's why I teamed up with Abdullah to bring you this video. We're breaking down 14 surprising health benefits of hibiscus tea that you absolutely need to know. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about your immune system. We're smack dab in the middle of cold and flu season, and nobody wants to be laid out with that. Hibiscus tea is loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. You know me, I'm all about prevention. Instead of reaching for that sugary orange juice, try swapping it out for a cup of hibiscus tea. It's a delicious way to support your immune system and stay healthy all year round. And listen, I know what you're thinking, Dr. Mike, does it have to taste like, healthy? I get it, but trust me, hibiscus tea has a tart, refreshing flavor that's actually really enjoyable hot or cold. So ditch those sugary drinks and make hibiscus tea your new go-to beverage. Your body will thank you for it. Let's talk about blood pressure for a second. It's a silent killer, folks. You might not even know you have high blood pressure until it's too late. That's why I'm so excited about hibiscus tea. Studies have shown that regularly drinking hibiscus tea can actually help lower blood pressure naturally. It's not a replacement for medication if you need it, but it's a great way to support your heart health. Now, I'm not saying ditch your medication and just drink tea all day. Always talk to your doctor about what's best for you. But incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine can be a powerful tool in managing your blood pressure. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. So show your ticker some love with a nice cup of hibiscus tea. All right, let's talk about something a lot of us struggle with: weight management. We're constantly bombarded with fad diets and crazy workout routines. But what if I told you there's a simple, delicious way to support your weight loss goals? Hibiscus tea can actually help boost your metabolism, which is the engine that burns calories. Now, it's not a magic bullet. You still need to eat a healthy diet and exercise regularly. But adding hibiscus tea to your routine can give you that extra edge. It's like a little helper working behind the scenes to help you reach your goals. Plus, it's a much healthier alternative to those sugary sodas and juices. So, ditch the empty calories and reach for a refreshing glass of hibiscus tea instead. Your waistline will thank you. Your liver is like the superhero of your body, filtering out toxins and keeping everything running smoothly. But sometimes our livers need a little extra love. That's where hibiscus tea comes in. This incredible tea is known to improve liver function, helping it do its job even better. A healthy liver means a healthier you, plain and simple. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea is a cure-all for liver problems. If you have concerns, definitely talk to your doctor. But incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine can be a great way to support your liver health. Remember, prevention is key, so give your liver the love it deserves with a daily dose of hibiscus tea. Let's talk about antioxidants, those powerful little compounds that fight off free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals are like little troublemakers, damaging our cells and contributing to aging and disease. Hibiscus tea is absolutely loaded with antioxidants, making it a potent weapon in the fight against free radicals. Think of it like a shield, protecting your cells from damage. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea will make you live forever, but it can help protect your body from the inside out, promoting overall health and well-being. So, ditch those sugary drinks that are full of empty calories and reach for a glass of antioxidant-rich hibiscus tea instead. Your body will thank you for it. We all know that high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. It's like a ticking time bomb in your arteries. But what if I told you there's a delicious way to help lower your cholesterol naturally? Hibiscus tea has been shown to help reduce bad cholesterol levels while actually increasing good cholesterol. It's like a 1-2 punch against heart disease. Now, I'm not saying ditch your medication and just drink tea all day. Always talk to your doctor about what's best for you. But incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine can be a powerful tool in managing your cholesterol. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart, so show your ticker some love with a nice cup of hibiscus tea. Inflammation is a natural part of our body's healing process. But chronic inflammation can lead to a whole host of problems, from joint pain to heart disease. Hibiscus tea has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. It's like a soothing balm for your insides. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea is a replacement for proper medical treatment. If you're dealing with chronic pain, definitely see a doctor. But incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine can be a great way to support your body's natural healing process. Remember, a healthy body is a happy body. So give yourself some TLC with a cup of anti-inflammatory hibiscus tea. Let's face it, nobody likes talking about digestion, but it's an important part of our overall health, and sometimes our digestive systems need a little help. Hibiscus tea is known to aid in digestion, helping things move along smoothly. It can also help prevent constipation, which nobody enjoys. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea is a laxative, but it can be a gentle and effective way to keep your digestive system happy. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. So give your digestive system some love with a cup of hibiscus tea after meals. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel stressed and overwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a simple, delicious way to support your mental health? Hibiscus tea has calming effects that can help reduce anxiety and depression. It's like a warm hug for your mind. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea is a replacement for therapy or medication. If you're struggling with your mental health, please reach out to a professional. But incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine can be a great way to promote relaxation and well-being. Remember, a healthy mind is a happy mind. So give yourself a moment of peace with a soothing cup of hibiscus tea. Everyone wants healthy, glowing skin, but with so many expensive creams and treatments out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. What if I told you there's a simple, delicious way to improve your skin health from the inside out? Hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants, which we know are great for fighting free radical damage. This damage can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and dullness. By drinking hibiscus tea, you're giving your skin the ammunition it needs to fight back against these damaging free radicals. Not only that, but some people believe hibiscus tea can also help even out skin tone and reduce hyperpigmentation. Now, I always say more research is needed in this area, but the initial findings are promising. So ditch those sugary drinks that can actually damage your skin and reach for a refreshing glass of hibiscus tea instead. Your skin will thank you for it. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for everyone, but especially for those with diabetes. What if I told you there's a delicious way to help regulate blood sugar naturally? Hibiscus tea has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Now, it's not a replacement for medication or a healthy lifestyle, but it can be a powerful tool in managing diabetes. Always talk to your doctor about what's best for you, but incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine can be a great way to support healthy blood sugar levels. Remember, knowledge is power. So arm yourself with information and make healthy choices like incorporating hibiscus tea into your diet. Feeling that afternoon slump? Reaching for another cup of coffee? What if I told you there's a healthier way to boost your energy levels without the jitters and crash of caffeine? Hibiscus tea can give you a natural energy boost thanks to its unique blend of vitamins and minerals. It's like a battery charger for your body. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea will turn you into a superhero, but it can help you power through your day without relying on sugary energy drinks or endless cups of coffee. So ditch the caffeine crash and reach for a refreshing glass of hibiscus tea instead. Your body and mind will thank you for it. We put our hair through a lot: heat styling, coloring, environmental damage. It's no wonder so many people struggle with hair loss and damage. But what if I told you there's a simple, delicious way to support healthy hair growth from the inside out? Hibiscus tea is packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair growth. It's like a fertilizer for your follicles. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea will magically give you a full head of hair overnight, but incorporating it into your routine can help nourish your scalp and promote healthy hair growth. So ditch the harsh chemicals and give your hair the love it deserves with a daily dose of hibiscus tea. We all have those days when we just feel a little bit down. But what if I told you there's a simple, delicious way to boost your mood naturally? Hibiscus tea contains compounds that can actually enhance your mood and help you feel more positive. It's like a little ray of sunshine in a cup. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea is a replacement for therapy or medication. If you're struggling with your mental health, please reach out to a professional. But incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine can be a great way to promote a positive outlook and a sense of well-being. So ditch the sugary drinks that can actually worsen your mood and reach for a cup of mood-boosting hibiscus tea instead. There you have it, folks. 14 incredible health benefits of hibiscus tea. Who knew something so delicious could be so good for you? Remember, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. Simple swaps like choosing hibiscus tea over sugary drinks can make a world of difference. Make sure to hit that like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe to Abdullah's channel for more awesome health and wellness tips. And be sure to let us know in the comments which benefit surprised you the most. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay healthy and keep sipping.